So there's a couple ways that we bring all of this information together for the end-to-end connectivity. I'm going to start off by taking a look at your at the VMware configuration data. So from the VMware configuration data, I can actually click on the ESX hosts that I have in my environment, and I can drill down to the initiators on any of these hosts. So I'm going to drill down on bit and see the initiators. There's a couple initiators here on bit. So it is a 2-port system, and I can drill down on each of these initiators and see the related masking views. Now these related masking views have to do with the storage systems, and you can see there's 4 total masking views set up. Now I can click on one of the masking views and get some more information about it. See its initiator WWPN. I can also take a different approach. I can look at the VMs and see the related data stores. I'm going to click on Bob the Builder. That's our auto build server, and I can see the data store that it's on, and I want to see the related virtual machine. So I just click on that related virtual machine, and that gives me a table with all of the VM virtual machines. So if I'm having a problem on a particular data store, I'm able to identify that. I can go back to the data store and see the related volumes for that on the SAN. And so I see this is prod vol purple 07. So if I was having a problem with the prod vol purple 07, I'd be able to see which VMs are on that or which VMs are affected. I can also take this from a data store perspective and see my related machines. So I clicked on blue 01 and I see all the VMs on that. So there's a couple different ways to slice that. The other thing that you can do is you can really take a kind of a deep dive on your switches, see what all the related ports are. So this is my 2 switches in this environment, and I'm looking at the switch ports, drill down to the switch ports. If I want more information, I can simply drill down on it and I can see additional information. Actually, it's showing me my switch port, which is on, this is ending in 7FB6, and it actually connects to a port ending in 600A5, and that 600A5 belongs to this HP system. So I know that that switch port is actually the port associated with this controller. I can also take a look, and I can keep drilling down on these things, get more information about the fabric, and click identify on that, and it kind of gives me a reversal of this. You know, it's the WWPN, which switch it's on. So I can drill down and through and see which storage ports belong to which switch ports. I can also look at my DSS ports directly. Let's take a look at those individual ports, and then on the ports I can see the WWPNs and actually check on more information about those ports. From the initiators perspective, if I want to see all the initiators on a given storage system, I just click on the initiators. I see this masking view is 89, and if I want to see which switch ports those are on, I can just click on the initiators, and it will tell me the actual switch port that it's on. So this initiator HS is it HS:89? It actually is plugged into switch port 13. The SAN switch 1-mountain. So those are just a couple ways that you can see your end-to-end views. There's many other ways, and we have an end-to-end topology viewer coming shortly.